So guys, first method, open Microsoft Edge. Click on setting, click on three dot, then click to setting. After that you can see the search setting. So preload and then enter. After that you can see the preload page, fastest browsing and searching, you just turn off. Okay, and then close it. So if your Microsoft is default, so you can do this. If your Chrome browser, so just open now Chrome browser, then same click on three dot and then go to setting. After that type preload and then hit. You can see you just turn off and then close it. Then guys, next click to start and go to setting. If any HP supports uh, software in install your system, so go to setting and then click to app, then click to install app. Then wait few seconds, then slow down. So if any like showing here, you just select and then go to uninstall it. No, I haven't installed. You just see, just click then three dot and go to uninstall and then restart and then please check it. Thank you.